How to fix Picsart not opening. So let's say let's try to open your Picsart application. Now if you tap on it, it will not work, or it just keeps on loading and not opening. And all you have to do is to go to your general or go to your settings. Go to your settings here. And for iPhones, you can go to general and go to your iPhone storage. And for Androids, you can go directly to your the Picsart application and then clear cache the application there. So for iPhones, you just offload the Picsart there. Now, if you try to open it again and it's still not working, then you can try to go back to your settings and uninstall the application or uninstall the Picsart application and then reinstall it again to your Play Store or your App Store and try to restart your phone. Now, the other option there is you can go to your Play Store App Store and then search for PixArt. And if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Go to your PixArt application. If you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. That could be one of the reasons why you cannot open your PixArt application. Basically that is how you fix Picsart not opening. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.